Hello and welcome to our channel.
To turn off location on Facebook. So in order to turn off location on Facebook, first of all open your Facebook app. Now tap on menu bar. Now you have to tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings and find device permissions. Tap on it. Now tap on location. Now you have to tap on update settings. Tap on device settings. Now tap on location. Change to don't allow. So that's a wrap up for today.
I hope you found this video helpful.
Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.